My name is Chris Hopkins and I'm a barrister. I've been asked to speak to you today about the offence of causing death by careless driving. By virtue of the fact that you're watching this video, it may be because you've been unfortunate enough to become involved in a fatal road traffic collision yourself, or perhaps somebody that you know has. You may now be concerned about the prospect of being investigated by the police for the offence of causing death by careless driving, potentially leading to your prosecution through the criminal courts. A prosecution for this offence will be taken by the Crown Prosecution Service, often called the CPS. In order to successfully convict you in the criminal courts, they will have to prove that your standard of driving fell below that to be expected of a competent and careful driver. Defences are available, the most obvious of which is where there was a mechanical defect with your vehicle at the time of the collision. These offences can be tried either in your local magistrates court or in the Crown Court before a judge and a jury. The offence of causing death by careless driving is a serious one, not least because somebody has unfortunately lost their life in the process. For that reason, it carries a maximum sentence of up to 5 years imprisonment in the Crown Court. Your disqualification from driving is also obligatory if you are convicted of this offence. The courts will follow sentencing guidelines, and it's fair to say that the 5-year maximum sentence is not given in every case of this kind. Those guidelines will set down factors for the court to consider, including how far below the standard of a careful and competent driver did your standard of driving fall at the time of the collision, and also any aggravating and mitigating factors which are specific to your case. The court will give full credit where a driver enters a guilty plea at his first available opportunity. And for that reason, it is always wise to take early and competent legal advice.